Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to online class. Now I am going to discuss the topic fraction for 6th standard. Listen children, first sum. For each diagram, you are going to state that how many number of equal parts are there and how many parts they are shaded, unshaded. You have to write in the fraction pattern. Can you clear this? So listen, the square is divided into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the square is divided here into 4 equal parts. What is the question they are asking? The number of equal parts. What is the number of equal parts here? 4 is the number of equal parts. And the number of shaded part, they are asking the number. So only I am going to write the numbers. So see here, numbers they are asking. So only one part is what? Shaded. Only one part is shaded. And the fraction shaded. See, listen, they are asking in fraction. Fraction means you are having numerator as well as in the denominator. So numerator, denominator means it is a fraction. So listen, so the fraction shaded, the shaded part is 1 and the total number of equal parts is what here? 4. So I can write the answer to be 1 by 4. What is that? 1 by 4. And the fraction unshaded, see the unshaded part is what? 3. And the total number of equal parts I am going to write in the denominator. See, this 3 is a numerator and this 4 is the denominator. So the fraction unshaded. So for that, what is the unshaded part here? 1, 2, 3. So 3. And by denominator, the denominator represents the total number of equal parts. So the total number of equal parts here is what? 4. Can you understand this children? Now I will move on to the second one. Draw a square. I have already drawn here a square. So draw a square with sides 4 centimeter. See, this is 4 centimeter and this is 4 centimeter and this is also what? 4 centimeter. For the square, the condition 4 sides are equal. Then only it is said to be a square. So the 4 sides are what? 4 centimeter. So I have drawn. And what is the next one? Divided into 16 equal parts. So I am dividing this square into how many number of equal parts? 16 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I drawn the side 4 centimeter and I divide that into 16 equal parts. Now what I am going to do here? Shade 9 by 16. So that 16 is the total number of equal parts. So the 16 is a total number of equal parts. I am going to shaded how many parts here? 9. So listen, out of this 16 you can choose any 9 small squares. So I am choosing here. First one I shaded, second one and third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, out of this 16, you can shade any 9. Can you clear this children? Can you clear? The first one, I am going to draw a square 4 centimeter. Square means 4 sides are equal. The condition for a square is what? 4 sides are equal. After drawing the square, I divide that into 4, that is 16 equal parts, and I am going to, after that 16 equal parts, I am going to shade a 9 shaded here. Okay, I am going to shade here the number 9. Can you understand this? Shall I move on to the next question? See this. The L shape is divided into 4 equal parts. Is very good. The L shape is divided into 4 equal parts. No, only 4 equal parts they said. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? The L shape is divided into 4 parts. Why is the shaded square is not equal to 1 by 4? What is the reason? See the shape. Whether the shape is divided into 4 equal parts? No. See, compare this 1, 3, 4 are little bit okay. But see the second one. It is not come under the equal parts. So, I am going to write the answer to be because the shape is not divided into 4 equal parts. Can you clear this? They are divided into 4 parts, but it is not equal to what? 4 equal parts. Because the shape is not divided into 4 equal parts, so I cannot say as to be what? 1 by 4. Next one I am coming to the fourth sum. Listen, write a fraction for each of the following. They are given in the number name. That is what? 5 eighths. Eighths. Denominator, when you are writing, just you have to add what? THS. Okay. So, 5 eighths I can write as to be what? 5 by 8. And 2 ninth. How can I write 2 ninth? 2 by 9. 2 ninth, how can I write? 2 by 9. Now listen children, write the numerator and denominator of each of the following fraction. See, this 5 by 16 is in the fraction. I am going to write here what is the numerator given in the question and what is the denominator they are given in the question. I am going to write here. See, listen, my numerator is what? What is my numerator here? See, this is a division line. The above the line is what? Numerator. And below that line is what? Denominator. So, numerator is equal to what here? 5. And your denominator is? (16). Can you understand this? This is a division line. The above the line, the number is what? 5, and that is a numerator, and the below the line is what? Denominator. So 16 is the denominator. Next I will move on to the next sum. See, 47 by 98. See, listen children, what is my numerator here? My numerator is what? Above the line. So 47, and my denominator is below the line. So 98. Can you clear this children? See, what is a division line? The above the line is what? Numerator, and below the line is what? Denominator. So now when I am coming for this E sum, what is my numerator here? 9. And what is my denominator? Denominator is equal to 1. Can you clear this? Now write a fraction. So here they are given. So what we have written in the fifth, no, the same ulta we have to write. So numerator and denominator they are given. We are going to write in the fraction. So numerator, where it comes? Above the line. So 7, and the denominator is what? 12. That is below the line. So I can write the answer to be what? 7 by 12. 7 by 12. Next, we will move on to the seventh sum, children. Name the fractional number for each of the following. Name the fractional number for each of the following. See, I am going to write here the number names. 3, 4. Okay, I am going to write here the number name. So 3. So for that I am writing 3 here. Division line. So a line. and 4, it is in the denominator. So I can write as to be fourth. Just THS I should be added. Can you clear this? 3 by 4 I am going to write in the name, which is what? 3/4. Next, 8 by 11. I can write as to be 8/11ths. How can I write? 8/11ths. Just denominator you are representing here. So for that you have to add THS. What is the spelling? Number name, just you have to write as it is. Only you should add what? THS. And 9 by 20 is there. Just write the spelling for 9 and division line. So for that what? A dash and 20th. What is the spelling for 20? TWENT. Instead of Y, you have write IETHS. 20ths. What is that? 20ths. Can you clear this? 9/20ths. How can I am writing here? 9/20ths. Just I am writing in the number name. Now, how much more? 15 minutes of an hour. How much more? 15 minutes of an hour. Listen, 1 hour is equal to 16 minutes. 1 hour is equal to how much, ma? 16 minutes. So, 15 minutes of an hour is equal to, how can I write? 15 minutes of an hour. See, listen, hour to minute means, hour to minute means I am multiplying by 60. See here, minute to hour. I am going to change this. So what I have to do? I am going to divide this by 60. Can you clear this? Hour to minute means I am going to multiply that what? 60. But here minutes to hour. So I am going to divide by 60. So 15 minutes of an hour is equal to 15 into 1 by 60. That is what I am dividing by 60. Dividing by what? 60. So listen, 15 ones are 15. 15 fours are. So my answer is what? 1 by 4 hour. Okay. Write the unit. Write the unit. So I am converting the 15 minutes of an hour is equal to 1 by 4 hour. Next, 12 hours of a day. What is that? 12 hours of a day. First you write 1 day is equal to, 1 day equal to how many hours? 1 day equal to how many hours? Yes, 24 hours. Same thing here, day, I am going to convert that into hour means I am going to multiply that 24. Here what? Hour, I am going to convert into day. So what I have to do? Divide by 24. So 12 hours of a day. So 12 into, what is that? 1 by 24. Can you clear this? Day to hours means I am going to multiple. So hour to day, so I am going to divide. So 12 ones are, 12 twos are. So 1 by 2 day. 1 by 12 hours of a day is what? 1 by 2 day. Or you can write as to be what? 1 by 2. So the answer is what? 1 by 2. Next, half a day. See, 1 by 2 of rupees 36. What you have to do? Of is nothing but what? Multiplication here. So, into rupees 36. So, 2 ones are 2. 2 18s are 36. And what is that? Just you multiple 1 into 18. So, rupees 18 is your answer. Next, 4 by 7 of 35 pencil. Of means you are going to do what? Multiplication sign. So, 4 by 7 into 35 pencils. Listen. See, in denominator I am having 7 and in my numerator 35. So, 7 5s are 35. Next 4 into 5. So, the answer is what? 20 pencils. The answer is what? 20 pencils. Can you clear this, children? Can you clear this? Next, I will move on to the last sum. Listen. Sudhir has 45 balls. Sudhir has 45 balls. He gives 5 by 9 of them to his sister. They are saying in a fraction. But the total number of ball is what here? 45. But he gives 5 by 9 of them to his sister. That is, it is in the fraction. How many balls did his sister receive? So, fraction they are given, that I am going to find out in the number. How many balls are left with Sudhir? So, here I am going to do the sum by 2 steps. Can you clear this, children? The total number of balls given and he gave to the sister by fraction, and how much left with Sudhir. So, I am going to do by 2 steps. Listen. Solution. What is that? Solution. Total number of balls. Total number of balls. How much total number of balls? 45. The total number of balls is 45. Number of balls. Number of balls gave to his sister. Gave to his sister is equal to, just they are given in the fraction. So, 5 by 9. See this 5 by 9 fraction, the total number of balls I am going to substitute that and I am going to find that fraction I am going to find out in the number. So, listen, 9 ones are, 9 5s are 45. So, 5 5s are is what? 5 into 5 is what? 25. See, this 25 is what? Number of balls. Number of balls gave to his sister. Gave to his sister is what? 25. Now, my step 1 is over. Next, I will move on to the step 2. This is my step 1. Now, I will move on to the step 2. Listen, children. Now, what I am going to find out, how many balls are left with the Sudhir. So, left means what you have to do. What operation we are going to do here? Minus. Left means what you have to do? Subtract. So, in the step 2, what you are going to do? Total number of balls is equal to 45. I have find out the number here which is gave to the sister. So, number of balls gave to his sister. How much? 25. So, what I am going to do this? I am going to subtract this. So, number of balls left with whom? Sudhir. Listen children, 5 minus 5, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. 4 minus 2, 2. So, 45 minus 25 is what? 20. So, my answer, number of balls left with, Sudhir, how many balls ma? How many balls? 20 balls. So, number of balls left with Sudhir is equal to what? 20. Can you understand this children? See this sum. I did this by 2 steps. The first step I have written the total number of balls, and what is they are given in the fraction. I completed that by finding the number, whole number, so I can get the 25 here, and after finding this I will subtract this and I can get the answer. Thank you children.